Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha says, my uncle through wet nursing came and sought my permission to enter, but I refused to extend the permission until I asked Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam about it. So when Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam came, I inquired of him about it. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, he is your uncle, so give him the permission. She states that she then submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, a woman not, he nursed me. She states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, he is your uncle, there is no harm if he visits you. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha says, it happened after the commandment concerning wailing had been revealed. Moreover, Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha says, wet nursing prohibits the same ties of relation what the consanguinity prohibits. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5239.